Hi everyone, in this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem. X plus y equal to 10, xy equal to 100. How do we find the value of x and the value of y? From this first equation, if we move y to the right hand side, we have x equal to 10 minus y. The next thing we are going to do is to replace this x with 10 minus y. If we do that, we have 10 minus y times y equal to 100. 10 times y, 10y, minus y times y, minus y square equal to 100. This implies that y square minus 10y plus 100 is equal to 0. By moving each of this guy to the right hand side, we have this. Let's continue. You will see that this is a quadratic equation and we can solve it using quadratic formula, which is y equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. From this equation, a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 10, c is equals to 100. Y equal to minus, what is b? B is minus 10 plus or minus square root of b square. If you plug minus 10 here, we have minus 10 all square minus 4 into, what is a? A is 1, c is 100 into 1 into 100. Let's extend the square root. Everything divided by 2 into, what is a? A is equals to 1. Let's continue. Y equal to minus times minus 10, that is 10, plus or minus square root of minus 10 all square, that is 100, minus 4 times 1 times 100, that is 400, divided by 2 times 1, 2. Let's continue. Y equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 400, that is minus 300, divided by 2. Y equal to 10 plus or minus. I can rewrite square root of minus 300 as square root of 300 times minus 1 divided by 2. Y equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 300 times minus 1 could be written as square root of 300 times square root of minus 1 divided by 2. Y equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 300. Now, recall that from the complex number, square root of minus 1 is equals to I. So in place of square root of minus 1, we write I divided by 2. Let's continue. Y equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 300, also could be written as square root of 100 times 3 times I outside divided by 2. Y equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 times 3, also could be written as square root of 100 times square root of 3 times I divided by 2. Y equal to 10 plus or minus, what is square root of 100? That is simply 10 times square root of 3I divided by 2. Y equal to, from this numerator, we can factor out 2. So we have 2 into 5 plus or minus 5 root 3I divided by 2. Y equal to, clearly 2 cancels 2. We are left with 5 plus or minus 5 root 3i. This implies that y is equal to 5 plus 5 root 3i, or y equal to 5 minus 5 root 3i. You will see that we have two values for y. We can then use these two values to obtain the value of x, since x is equal to 10 minus y. Let me show you where we got this from. It's from this line. Let's continue. First, let's consider when y equals to 5 plus 5 root 3i. When y equal to 5 plus 5 root 3i, this is 3. So in place of y, we write this. This implies that x equal to 10 minus 5 plus 5 root 3i. X equal to 10 minus times 5 minus 5 minus times plus minus 5 root 3i. X equal to 10 minus 5, that is 5, minus 5 root 3i. Therefore, the first solution, x comma y, is equal to, what is x? X is 5 minus 5 root 3i. 5 minus 5 root 3i. And what is the value of y? Is the value of y 5 plus 5 root 3i. This is the first solution. Now, let's consider the other value of y. So, when y equals to 5 minus 5 root 3i now, when y equal to 5 minus 5 root 3i, we have to plug this into this equation. Let's do that. X equal to 10 minus 5 minus 5 root 3i. X equal to 10 minus times 5 minus 5 minus times minus plus 5 root 3i. X equal to 10 minus 5, 5 plus 5 root 3i. Therefore, x comma y is equal to, what is x? X is this, 5 plus 5 root 3i, and y is 5 minus 5 root 3i. This is the second solution. Thus, all the solutions that we have for this algebra problem are, the first one is x comma y equal to 5 minus 5 root 3i comma 5 minus 5 root 3i. This is plus, sorry. And the second solution is x comma y equal to, this is the second solution, 5 plus 5 root 3i comma 5 minus 5 root 3i. In total, we have two distinct solutions, which are this. Now, let us verify if these answers are correct. So, verify. Using equation 1, x plus y equal to 10. So let's verify the first answer first. This is x. Y, this is y. In place of x, we write this, 5 minus 5 root 3i plus, in place of y, we write this, 5 plus 5 root 3i equal to, clearly, minus 5 root 3i plus 5 root 3i, that is 0. 5 plus 5, we have 10. This is equal to the right hand side of this equation. That means The first answer that we got is indeed correct. Now, let's check if this answer is also correct. This is x, y, this is y. In place of x, we write this 5 plus 5 root 3i plus, in place of y, we write this 5 minus 5 root 3i equal to, clearly, 5 root 3i minus 5 root 3i, that is 0. 5 plus 5, we have 10. You will see that this is also equal to the right hand side of this equation. That means the second answer is also correct. That's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Have a good one.